If you're still putting your contact information into CRM one by one manually, you're falling behind massively. And I built an AI native system that automates the CRM management that you can also use as well. So here's the system. So you have the table right here with Notion, or it could be anything. It could be Airtable, Google Sheet, like whatever, any kind of label. And then AI, in my case, using Claude, should be able to write to the CRM, and it can also read the CRM. And then based on this information, so for example, if I put in the LinkedIn profile, AI is going to scrape and research about this person and then inserts data into CRM. And also you can do it from Instagram as well. In the AI native system, AI has all of the context about this person, everyone in the contact list, so it can actually take action, such as creating proposals, doing follow-ups and stuff like that. So one example of that would be whenever you have a meeting with one of the clients here, the meeting will be transcribed and then it will be fed to AI, and then it's going to read the person's information from the CRM. And if you have a system where AI has the context about your business and your way of making proposals, it is going to create proposals tailored to whatever you talked about in this meeting. And it can also create a follow-up schedule for you to basically keep on track of this person and get the best deal. So let me show you how you can insert a person into your CRM with this system. So before I show you the actual system, please contact me from the link down below if you want to get a customized system to automate, to streamline your operation with AI. So let's say I want to insert this person into so he's like my good friend. So, oops. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to just paste this and I'm gonna go back to my Claude code. So I just met this person in the cafe and he is interested in my service. So we already talked and we booked a call next Monday. So can you insert this person's profile into the CRM? So you just say that and give it a little context. And now, as you can see, it is loading the skill called adding CRM contact. So skill is a set of instruction that Claude will proactively activate when it comes to a certain task. And I made a skill that is specific for adding CRM contact. So now it is reading the step-by-step workflow for Claude to execute this task in the exact steps. Now Claude is actually going through my LinkedIn and it is navigating my browser to actually scrape this guy's profile. So this is pretty nuts. So as you can see, Claude in Chrome is activated and it is navigating. And Claude is even scrolling down to see the details of this guy's profile. And after it's navigated the Chrome, and after it's scraped the LinkedIn, it has extracted the information, and then now it is using the Notion MCP to add this guy's profile into the CRM. So let's see my Notion database. Now, as you can see, the Harrison, my friend's name, is added to my CRM. So it is added company type as well as the country he's living in, and then his company profile, and then it's also identified the lead source from the context that I had. And then because I said that I will contact him on Monday, it's also added the next follow-up date to be the next Monday. And then it has a notes about this guy's profile, and it has the role, and then it even has the status already. Because I told it that call is already booked, it set the status to call booked. So as you can see, this usually takes around 10 minutes, but you can do this in one go. And you don't need to just do it one by one. You can just put a list of LinkedIn profiles, Instagram profiles, and feed it to AI. It's gonna extract all the information and add it to your CRM right away. So now, what is crazy about this is that I'm using Claude Code, where I have a context about all of my projects. So within strategy, I have a context about my product and stuff. So I can like ask Claude based on this guy's profile and what he does and analyze my product and my service. Can you score him as a lead and tell me what kind of service I can provide to him? What kind of cloud skills, what kind of workflows do you think he needs? So basically, I want to prepare for the call that I have with him next Monday. Now it is reading my positioning statement in the strategy folder, and it's also reading information about my product and the roadmap that I'm providing to get the answer. So if you use this AI native system with Cloud Code, you not only have an isolated automation that moves data from A to B, but you have a centralized system where you can talk to AI about anything about your business, and you can also connect it to your CRM to like basically the AI has all of the context ready to give you the exact analysis and advice that you need. As you can see, it finished the analysis and then the least score is 8 out of 10. Okay, it seems pretty good. So it scored the lead based on the geography, the budget likelihood, decision authority, market fit, and then urgency signal. So I'm gonna say, great. Now, can you add a folder about him under the client's directory? And can you create a file for proposal? Now, as you can see, under like clients folder, it created a folder with this person's name, and it created a document about the lead analysis. And as you can see, you created a like for his like lead info and all of the strategy and like that. And then based on this, we actually have a meeting like Monday. Then this AI system can capture the meeting automatically and create proposals and basically brainstorm like one like I can create for him and all of these stuff. So again, if you're a small business owner or individuals tired of manually managing CRM, please book a consultation call with me from the link down below.